for another video here. This is going to be a short video on a product review on a product that I really like. Ordered from Amazon. They're Rock 8 or 2 LED headlights for the price point. Very solid. Less than $50. 8,000 lumens. They're stupid bright. I have been rocking mine on my Mustang for about 2 years plus now. No problem. I recommend it to my coworkers, and they're really liking it. Very easy to install. Like I said, as you can see, this right here. This is from my mom's car, but it has a built-in fan. Like I said, 8,000 lumens. And this right here was a 9003. I think it was like $45. I got mine for like $38. But I mean, like I said, for a price point, it's very solid. I mean, the difference between, like, it's very bright. So Rock, if you sponsor me, because I really like the products. But let's see the difference. I already installed it on one side right here. So make sure that this is on there. But yeah, you can see it just plugs in. So that's all you really need to do, and it just sits right in there, as you can see. So it's very good. Let's see the difference. This is the halogen, this is the LED. So let's turn it on. We'll see the difference right now. Boom, it's on. Now you can see the difference between the halogen and the LED. Pretty big difference. Very bright. You know, at night it is stupid bright. Like I said, I've been driving with it on my Mustang for like 2 years plus, no problem. Like I said, easy to install, so very nice. So until next time, YouTube. But yeah, leaving the link in the description below if you guys are interested in Amazon.